Okay, today we are going to install indicators or blinkers or turn indicators, whatever you call it, in Kawasaki Z900. So this one goes to the right side of the motorcycle and this one goes to the left side of the motorcycle. This is the screw which we have to undo, and then this goes into the smaller bikini cowl of the motorcycle, and the wire goes in the just above the headlight console. So to begin with, we have to undo this screw and take out this metal plate, and there's one metal plate inside too. We have to take it out also. तो ये इस तरह से लगाना था हमें को. So we have to put it this way, and this is done. Now we have to slide this metal plate inside like this so that it secures. And gives it a good strong mounting plate. Okay, just let me figure it out. There are little rubber inserts inside. All I have to do is push it in so that it gives. Okay, I think it's done. It's done. And then we have to take this top fitting. There's a small nudge here. Insert it in. Okay, let's do this now. Okay, I think it's in. And it's a bit of a task. These are some over-engineered Japanese indicators, blinkers to put in. Okay, one side is done. Time for another one. Let's Okay, one side is done. Now get on with the other side. Let's do it. Small crevices, a lot of dirt gets into it, and it's very difficult to clean without scratching the thing. Okay, one side done. Let's get on with the other side. Same way, take off the screw. Take out the metal plate from inside, slide it out, wiggle it in. So this one is quite easy to go. Wow. Where's the small screw? I think it's in. Yes, it's perfectly in. See? The metal tab to be inserted again. Okay, it's in. See? It's in. Now the top bracket. And the screw. See, it's done. See, it's done. Now onto the motorcycle, and we will install it on the bike. On the bike it's pretty simple and straightforward. All you have to do is do a couple of screws, one here, 4 here. These also mount your mini windshield which is on the motorcycle, and couple of here, 1 and 1 here. Oh my god, on the camera the dust looks so more worse than it actually is, but still. And these goes inside to the wiring harness, and that's it. That's all you do for installing or reinstalling your Kawasaki Z900 front indicators. I don't know about the custom ones, how will you install them, because they're pretty much made for these kind of indicators only, but I have seen people do the custom installation too. We'll try that in future. We'll get some good sequential ones for the motorcycle, although these are also LED indicators, so I don't think so I won't be changing them. And plus I like the bulk, I like the old school looks of the motorcycle, so I would like to keep them this way only. Let's move on to the motorcycle and install them on the bike. So there it is parked already, all without the fairing. So let's go ahead and install this part on this. First of all, we need to clip the wire. Okay, it's pretty hard for me with big fingers to go inside and do this, but still I will try my best. Okay. And one is done. Oh, it's very hard to film and do this right away. Oh, I think I made a mess. No, it's all right. I haven't done anything wrong. Okay, the wire has been done. Now time to install the bikini fairing. So work here is done. The indicators are successfully installed. Sorry I didn't film the rest of the part because I was receiving a lot of phone calls, work related. Let's check them. This is the left one, it's working fine. The right one, it's working fine. And the hazard flasher, it's also working fine. The project is complete. Our indicators are working fine. And the installation of these indicators is complete. And finally the horns are gone from this motorcycle. Okay. And I've got this replica SC project also installed on this bike. I had to make a custom bent pipe, and this is how it sounds. And our next project is this. These are clip-ons. We'll try install some clip-ons on this motorcycle and get some liter class vibe going on.